Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying a few essentials so the fix works. First, check settings general about to confirm your iOS is compatible. Outdated software can hide functions. Next, make sure you're signed into your Apple ID in settings so the store can appear. Finally, inspect screen time or restrictions because the App Store can be disabled there. Once done, move to the next step to restore visibility. These checks prevent wasted effort and explain why the store might be missing. Now you'll restore visibility by adjusting restrictions and confirming settings. Go to Settings, Screen Time, Content, and Privacy Restrictions. Toggle off restrictions or open Allowed Apps and enable App Store. If a passcode blocks changes, use the Screen Time passcode or reset it via Apple's recovery options. After toggling, restart the iPad to refresh the home screen and system services. Then swipe down from the center to Spotlight search App Store, so you can verify it's back and understand why restarting helps. Finish by resolving lingering account or software issues. Sign out of your Apple ID in settings, wait a minute, then sign back in to refresh App Store access. This often fixes account-related visibility problems. Make sure iOS is up to date in Settings General Software Update because system bugs can hide icons. If the icon still won't appear, reset home screen layout or choose Reset All Settings. These preserve data but restore defaults. If nothing works, try the Apple ID reset first. It's the most common solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.